Yes, Namaskar, friends. Welcome again in this lecture that is how to create a planar structure. So nowadays that experimental people are creating that thin films for different devices. Computational people are creating that planar structure or studying that planar structure material. So that is also known as a planar structure, monolayer or 2D materials, and that and then bilayer, trilayer is a different thing that heterostructures they are developing. Now the question is how we can create this planar structure. So generally that for a planar structure we will take that unit cell of some monolayer and then we will create that super cell. So in that super cell we will create like that 331, 441 and 551. This type of names are given for this monolayer. And for planar structure designing, I am going to use that GDIS tool. And for GDIS tool I will use that hexagonal structure of any material and convert that in form of that planar structure. So this is that planar example of planar structure, and that this is the top view, this is side view, and this is another side view, and this is that bulk system. So that bulk system is three-dimensional one, and this is now two-dimensional one. Now the question is how we can design this by using uh, GDIS. So let's begin with that. So here I am. mm, So I'm opening GDIS here, and with this GDIS and hexagonal structure, I have this SI. So let me open this SI. Yeah. So this is that hexagonal structure material, and obviously this is bulk material. And we can create this 2 cross 2 cross 2 or any uh, that supercell. But here I am now creating that planar structure. So I will go to that image, and then I will extend this one dimensional, that 333. This is 333. Yeah, and this is that structure one. But now this is not planar so far. So let me start to go to that 4 4. So 331 means I will have to use 33441 44 or 551 I can create. And then I will make supercell. So to make supercell I will go to this building editing, and here there is one term that is make supercell. So I will click here, and now this will it is created. But here there this is not monolayer because this that layer of bottom layer, upper layer atoms are here, so we have to delete this. So let me select by dragging by using this ribbon, and that is, let me delete this. And yes, this is that one. So by viewing in different angles we can see this is that x-axis looking like a monolayer, this is y-axis, and this is that along that z-axis means x of y plane. So this is that monolayer, and now we can save this in form of FDF. So SI planar, so SI441.FDF. Similarly, if we have some other material like let me open another one. So GDIS and this SNH2 material I'm using this. So SNH2, this is another one. Again I will create that the image in 4 4. So mostly that 4 4 is being used. So now I will create supercell. So let me go to this tool and building editing. So here I will make this supercell, close this, so that this is bilayer, and we can change the distance of this two by using GUI SE, but here this is bilayer. So I will create that monolayer by selecting this and delete this. Yes. Now this is monolayer of SNH2. So let me save this as SNH2 monolayer with FDF. Anyway, so this is that simplest method to create, but for that the process is we have to download the hexagonal file from material project or any database, that CIA file, and then we will open with that GDIS, and we will extend its dimension along x-axis and y-axis, and we will get that required monolayer. But if that hexagonal file of any material is not there, then what? Then we have to convert that material to first that hexagonal material, then we will take up. So how to convert any other materials in hexagonal phase, so we will discuss later. Thank you. Happy learning.